up,
Se
so
supone que tenga un spring
so
ahí
it pushes
adentro.
that rod out.
Y el spring
Okay.
es lo que saca eso para afuera.
Is what goes on, and then the rod has a kick in it to where it can't push back.
Entonces después hay algo que lo agarra entonces para que no entre de nuevo.
Okay, so that's supposed to go out and adjust and hit the chain and keep the chain right. Okay, I found it like that.
Así fue que lo encontró
Yeah, with no springy to it,
sin ningún spring.
and this was loose. That's just a cover bolt.
Eso estaba
Okay, come on out.
suelto.
Okay.
Come on out.
It's all right.
That's right on. Okay, this is your cam chain.
Esa es tu cadena.
Okay.
This goes right there.
Uh-huh.
Okay, and puts tension on the chain.
Le pone
Okay.
tensión a la cadena.
Okay.
This broke.
Eso se rompió.
I've never seen one of these break.
Nunca he visto que eso se haya roto.
China. Anyway, so what happened here was the chain jumped off of that gear. And I found the chain down like that. Okay.
Se le encontró la cadena así.
Mm-hmm.
Now I could just put all this back on, get a new one, put all this back together. But the problem is when this went, the crank spun around, the piston hit the valve and bent a valve. So a valve up here is bent because the piston smacked it. Okay, is what? So it bent is what's going on up here. So we have a bent valve. So I'd have to take the head off, do valves, and then put it all back together is what's up.
Él tiene que desarmar todo eso y volver a poner de nuevo para poder enderezar lo que se dobló.
Okay, exact same thing. Come on in.